Kia ora, tēnā koe. My name is Chef Steve. I'm one of the chef instructors here at International Culinary Studio. Today we're going to be focusing on or recapping on our kitchen setup and knife safety. What we want to really focus on today is how we organise our kitchen board and where our knife is, and how we organise our scraps and our mise en place items. So what I've got here is a chucks cloth, lightly dampened, and I'm going to put this under my board, calling it basically anchoring it or setting it to the chopping to the bench. As you notice now, what I'm doing is without this this chucks cloth is moving around. It's going to create really big problems when we're trying to work with our food ingredients. So I'm going to place it underneath. And now you'll see that it's now properly secured to the workstation, and now we are ready to work on our mise en place. When we talk about mise en place bowls, we've got these mediums or small bowls here, and then we've also got a large one here which is used for our kitchen scraps. What we want to focus on today is keeping our chopping board completely clear. We're only working on one particular item at a time. The rest of our ingredients on mise en place is stored correctly in our bowls until we're ready to use them. So, talking about that, we're talking about knife safety as well. And with that, I'm going to prepare an onion and do some slicing. And we're going to use the proper guard or the claw. And what that means is we're going to arc our fingers back and tuck our fingertips underneath, creating a nice stable base so that we're able to rock back and forward with our knife not being able to cut. So we're not having our fingers out like this. Notice that your fingers as well have this bone here, which is your protection guard, so that when it does contact the knife, it goes across the fingers and down through. So bearing that in mind, we get a firm grip onto the onion. We're going to make an incision here to take the top off and then the tail. Notice that when I've finished with that, these can be moved directly into our rubbish bin, maintaining a nice cleaning chopping board. Peel the rest of the onion, like so. Then removing the excess onion peels, because I know all the chef instructors are looking for you guys to have a nice clean workstation, and the most annoying part for us is to see this debris lying on your chopping board that's not necessary to be there at all. So clean that away at all times. This is to ensure that we're becoming efficient at the task that we're working on, not cluttering our chopping board. So go down onto the onion, remove that to the side, and then from there, get our firm grip or our claw again, and we're just arcing back and forth into a nice stable motion. And we can go fast as we want. Remembering that this claw is for knife safety. It does take a little bit of time to get used to that action, but over time and practice, you will get good and efficient at doing it. Okay, thank you guys.